Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make money online from Burkina Faso. So let's get started. So here we can see uh, Burkina Faso has thousand number of unemployed people and that can make money online. So the best way to make money online without any investment and capital is through five like freelancing. So the best website for the freelancing is Fiverr. So Fiverr is a marketplace where you can just sell your products to uh, business owners and potential buyers. Okay, so here we can sell products like your social media management services, video editing, video creation, and many others. So it's a very good platform to sell and buy the things. Okay, so this you can see, so Fiverr is very easy to use and we can use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.